Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all. Okay, welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. If this is your first time of coming across to our YouTube channel, you are welcome. What we do in this channel is that we talk about things that concerns jamb, admission, WAEC, NECO, and schools post-UTME updates. All right, so if you are any of these candidates, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all bell notifications so that whenever I drop any amazing updates, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the information. It is important for you to subscribe and turn on all bell notifications because every day I update YouTube. All right, I update all the information you need, and information is power. Right, you need information. All right, so to navigate to this process of your admission, right, so you need information, so you have to subscribe and turn on all bell notifications so that once I drop any updates, important update on YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out so that you won't miss out. All right, so today's topic, we are going to talk about the list of courses offered in Michael Okpara University of Agriculture, Umudike, popularly known as MOUA. All right, so if Michael Okpara is your institution of choice, all right, and that you want to make a change of course, or you don't know if they offer the course, and you actually, or yeah, you just want to go, you are thinking of how to change to Michael Okpara University of Agriculture, this video is for you. Please stay from the beginning of this video to the very last side of the video so that you don't miss out with anything. All right, before I continue, I want to let you know that we'll have a WhatsApp community. All right, it is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidate. Of course, you yourself can become one of our members. The only way you can become one of our members, so let me know in the comment section that you want to join us on our WhatsApp group. All right, so I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. When I give you my WhatsApp number, you will message me on WhatsApp. Then after getting to know you, I will definitely have to add you on WhatsApp. All right, so there in our WhatsApp group, you have access to so many things free of charge. All right, so that's been said, let's continue. All right, so the next one is agric. The first one on our list is agric extension and rural development. Agric extension and rural development, right? So that's the first one on our list, followed by agric extension and rural sociology, followed by agric business, followed by agriculture and bioresources, agriculture and bioresources, agricultural and bioresources engineering, agricultural and bioresources engineering. All right, the next one on our list is agricultural economics, followed by after agricultural economics, we have the next one, which is agricultural science and education. After agricultural science and education, we have the next one is agriculture. After agriculture, we have animal production. After animal production, we have biochemistry. After biochemistry, we have business administration. After business administration, we have chemical engineering. After chemical engineering, we have chemistry. After chemistry, we have civil engineering. After civil, we have computer engineering. After computer, we have computer science. After computer science, we have education and biology. After education and biology, we have education and chemistry. After education and chemistry, we have education and computer science. After education and computer science, we have education and integrated science. After education and integrated science, we have education and mathematics. After education and mathematics, we have education and physics. After education and physics, we have electrical and electronics engineering. After electrical and electronics engineering, we have entrepreneur studies. After entrepreneurial studies, we have environmental management and sociology. After that, we have fisheries and aquatic resources management. After fisheries and aquatic resources management, we have food science and technology. After food science and technology, we have forestry and environmental management. After forestry and environmental management, we have home economics. After home economics, we have home economics and education. After home economics and education, we have hotel management and tourism. After hotel management and tourism, we have human nutrition and dietetics. After human nutrition and dietetics, we have industrial and technology education. After industrial and technology education, we have industrial relations and personnel management. After industrial relations and personnel management, we have library and information science. After library and information science, we have mathematics. After mathematics, we have mechanical engineering. After mechanical engineering, we have microbiology. After microbiology, we have physics. After physics, we have plant science and biotechnology. After plant science and biotechnology, we have soil science. After soil science, we have statistics. After statistics, we have veterinary medicine. After veterinary medicine, we have water resources management and meteorology, sorry. The last on our list, which is zoology and environmental biology. Alright, so this will be ending this video for today. So if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notifications. So as I promised, I'll be giving you guys updates back to back. All right, so we'll upload on YouTube on daily basis. All right, so it is important for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so whenever I drop any amazing content, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. All right, so if your courses is not among the listed one below, let me know in the comment section. All right, so I will know how to sort it out for you. All right, so until I see you again in my next video, don't forget that I love and cherish each and every member of Brainybite subscriber. All right, thank you all. See you all in the next video. All right, keep winning.